Hey guys, welcome back. So after driving the BMW and the Corvette, I really just wanted to jump back into something JDM. So I'm going to give the Swarm S13 a go. So this one is labeled as a RB S13. So assuming it has an RB, obviously it could be an SR, or even for the year model, it could actually be a CA18. So all I know is that it has 436 horsepower, 576 newton meters, and it weighs 1,240 kilos. But with that, let's jump in. All right, in the S13, it's modeled pretty well, pretty basic stuff, but at least it's the factory dash, factory dash, sorry. It's going to start back at Raleigh Raceway. This car definitely has a different power delivery to the Corvette. Kind of got used to the V8 and being able to save my sloppiness. So trying to drive this, I've definitely been falling out of the power band a fair bit. You definitely have to work it a bit harder to get it to do what I want. Alright, flick into this entry part here. So that was just all second gear. Went too far there. So I think the red line's 7.5 on this. Yep. Alright, so this corner we should be able to do third with this power. We've got to slow down all these S's. Overshot that multiple times and ended up going over the grass. Still find that straight a bit long to try and hold as a single drift. And same with this one, so normally just straighten up and restart here. But this one should be able to keep second going. And then if I can get this right, flip it into here, and then... Oh, too far. Try and throw it back into this little section. Alright, third, four. Part up the hill. Brake, slow down. Definitely takes a bit of getting used to that power band again. I've done this a couple times now, so definitely not as bad as I was when I first jumped into it. Oh, the handbrake's trying to extend that. Stay off the grass. This is a very bad line. Still second. Keep it off those tires. Alright, let's see if we can get this again. Nope. No, we cannot. The car was in the wrong position, and once I went down that edge, that was it. It's all over. Alright, third. See if we can hold it up there, which we can't. Have to straighten. Let's power out with second. It's handbrake entry, which it's the said it's the power curve of this car. I'm just getting used to it. You got nothing under 3. So if you fall under that and don't clutch kick, it's just not going to keep going. Alright, try this again. Can throw it in more than that. Alright, I'll try one more lap of this. Rally. So third again. Try and keep it out wide at the top of the hill. Must have hit the steering wheel. Or a button on the steering wheel, sorry. Second. Gonna go off the edge. On the grass. Alright, second, keep it out, and just throw it into the tires. Alright, I'm going to change over to the Kunos Drift Track, because I'm at least a lot more familiar with that. Alright, we're back on the Kunos Drift Track. At least more familiar with this for the handling side of it. Alright, so third. So I remember I'm going to hold it. So I remember first driving the Corvette and I thought it handled weird. Well, weird, but sorry, different. It's probably better than saying weird. It felt like the transitions were a lot slower. But now after driving that for a bit and then coming back to the S13, it just feels a lot snappier. So you got to be quicker with your transitions and getting the wheel back in the other direction. And once again, that power delivery, you've seen I'm falling out of the power band a lot and falling out of drifts. Alright, third, can I hold it out to the tyres? Alright, let's go fourth. So I'm back to third, just try and drive it out of that corner. Oh, I'm going to rotate too much. Off on the grass. Definitely, yeah, snappier on the transitions. So big clutch kick in third to try and save that. Ooh, thought I was going to go into the wall then. So still haven't mastered 360s. Can't even actually do them, so master's probably a bit far away as well. But I do still try it every now and then. Alright, so third, we'll go back on the inside. A power band. So I'm complaining about the power band, but it's really my sloppy driving that's causing the issues. Keep third going. See if we can get it out wide. Try and drive it out wide there. So what I should be doing is not lifting off the throttle as much. Let's say that, and then I just spin. And then I should be able to keep it higher in the revs instead of falling out all the time. Pull it over the grass. Alright, let's try the outside in reverse. Oh, on the grass. Alright, let's get some speed. Fourth gear. Keep going. This has enough power to do fourth. Oh, I thought I was going to hit the wall then. I wonder if I can do the whole outside in four. Up in the grass again, which is fine. Alright, so flick here. Into the wall. I like that part of the track just for trying to do big entries. Let's just go for one more big entry and see what happens. No. Let's do that again. Alright, third. Let's keep it around here. Off on the edge of the grass. Or towards the edge, didn't go off that time. Alright, so big flick here in fourth. Come on, that. Nah. It was messy at the end, but at least it felt like a big entry. It's always deceptive in VR of how much angle I actually have. And then you go back and watch it during editing, and you can see the angle of the car. Yeah. Like I said, I'm enjoying being back in a JDM car. I do like the S13. The power makes it more challenging to drive. I should show you on the straight here. So we'll come around the back. So I'm sitting around 2000 RPM or below, so that's flat. Nothing. 3 really starts to pick up. And then yeah, 4's full power. Come on. Nah, too messy. And yeah, it's a lot more snappier than the Corvette, which just takes a bit of adjusting to get used to. Yeah, there's plenty more cars in this pack to give a go as well. There's another S13, which I'll get to eventually. But with that, thanks for watching, guys.